Namaste everyone. Recently, which herbicide is temporarily banned by Andhra Pradesh? The correct option is paraquat dichloride. It was banned because of its ill effects on soil health and environmental issues and causing lot of harm to human health while spraying in the field. It is a contact non-systemic herbicide and it is also a reason for many suicidal deaths in Andhra Pradesh. Not only Andhra Pradesh, it also banned in Telangana, Orissa and many European nations. Let us go through the other options. Vinegar is a natural herbicide used in organic farming. Endosulfan is a insecticide which is banned. Pendimethalin is a pre-emergence herbicide which hampers the germination process. Its trade name is Stomp. Next question. Which of the following is not true regarding minimum support price? The option is option 3. MSP is mandatorily given to the farmers is wrong. MSP is not mandatorily given, it is just a recommended price given to the farmers which helps as a support to the farmers. It is a predetermined price but it is a recommended price. It is based on recommendations of Commission for Agriculture Costs and Prices which will be announced by Government of India just before Kharif. It is calculated on the basis of A2 and FL. A2 indicates all the costs like seed cost, fertilizer cost, depreciation cost, machinery cost, fertilizer cost, etc. And FL includes imputed value of family labor. But farmers are seeking for cost comprehensive cost, that is C2, where it also includes A2 and FL. Along with that, it includes imputed value of owned land and interest on working capital. But government has not taken a decision regarding that. Still, it is calculating MSP on the basis of A2 and FL. So always remember, friends, MSP is not mandatory in India. It is just a recommendatory price. Next question: which of the following is related to fair and remunerative price given by government is not true? The answer for this is fourth option. This is not true. FRP is not a recommendatory price, it is a mandatory price or a statutory price given by the government where the sugar mills has to pay the farmers compulsorily. Rest of the other options like FRP is governed by Sugarcane Control Order 1966 is correct answer. Payment is made to the farmer within 14 days. It is formed on the basis of Rangarajan Committee on recognizing the sugarcane industry in 2009. Remember friends, FRP is a mandatory price, it is not a recommendatory price. Next question. Which of the following is not true regarding mission for cotton productivity? The correct option is fourth option. Yes, the mission is not only implemented by Ministry of Textiles, it is also implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare along with ICAR. Rest of the other options are true where its target is 170 kg lint of 498 lakh bales and productivity should be increased from 440 to 755 kg per hectare by 2031. It follows the 5F vision of government, Ministry of Textiles, that is farm, fiber, factory, fashion and foreign. It also focuses on developing pest resistant, climate resilient, high yielding cotton varieties along with extra long staple cotton that is greater than 30 mm, greater than 30 mm length, and also follows breeding and biotechnology principles. Along with this, it also brands for Kasturi cotton. So the always remember, mission for cotton productivity is implemented by Ministry of Textiles, Ministry of Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, along with ICR. Next question: which of the following is not true regarding Kasturi Bharat cotton? Remember, friends, the option is option 3, where Bureau of Indian Standards requires only 2% for its testing by NABL accredited laboratories, whereas Kasturi cotton standards require 5% of the bales for a lot in by NABL accredited laboratories. So this option is not true. BS requires 2%, Kasturi brand cotton standards require 5% of bales in a given lot. Rest of the options like it is a joint initiative by Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, Cotton Corporation of India, and Texprocil. It is correct. It cotton staple length is greater than 30 mm. This is also correct. And trash should be less than 2%. Along with this, RD should be greater than 76%. Uniformity index should be greater than 83% for Kasturi cotton. It also follows blockchain technologies. It also follows blockchain technologies for complete transparency. Only products that has been certified can be considered under Kasturi Bharat cotton. Next question. Recently, Prime Minister inaugurated the fully operational PM Mitra Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Kakatiya Mega Textile Park in. The correct option is Warangal, Telangana. The first textile park is formed in Dhar, Madhya Pradesh. These three options are greenfield projects, whereas Warangal, Telangana is brownfield. The only difference between greenfield and brownfield is greenfield is established in a place where there is nothing, whereas brownfield is established in a place where there is provision of some amenities. And the outlay is about 800 crores for greenfield, and for brownfield it is about 500 crores. Along with this, what is PM Mitra? Along it is the development of textile industry. Government started this scheme in 2021, and it has formed for continue up to 2027-28. By 28, it is taking textile parks have been established at 7 sites. Along with these four, the other three sites are, one is in Gujarat, Navsari, the other one is Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, the other one is in Kalaburgi, Karnataka. Along with these four options, those three sites are also selected for this PM Mitra scheme. Next question. Recently, which country temporarily suspended the export of mangoes from India? The option is Japan. While Japan quarantine officer visited India, that is at Uttar Pradesh, they have found some lapses in vapor heat treatment and fumigation measures in mango quality. Hence, they temporarily suspended the export of mangoes. Because of this, Chausa, Alfonso, Banginpelli, etc. varieties have been hampered drastically, and the mango growers have facing severe price problems. Next question. What is the theme for International Day on Biodiversity? The correct option is 4th. May 22 is celebrated as International Day on Biodiversity, Biological Diversity. The theme is raise awareness about the conservation of ecosystems and biodiversity health. May 31st is Old No Tobacco Day. Old No Tobacco Day. The theme is say no addiction to tobacco. May 1st is International Labor Day. The theme is honor the rights and contributions of workers worldwide. Next question. National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif Campaign 26 was held in. Answer is New Delhi. National Conference of Agriculture for Kharif Campaign held in New Delhi. In this conference, they have talked about how to boost agriculture sector and how to reduce the usage of fertilizers. Many scientists, farmers, friends participated in the conference and exchanged their ideas in the conference. Next question. National launch of Kheti Bachao Abhiyan started by Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare in which place? The answer is Ramise village, Madhya Pradesh. This is a farmers awareness campaign starting from June 1st to June 30th. This campaign creates awareness on how to reduce the usage of fertilizers and implementation of balanced use of fertilizers, and when to apply, where to apply, and what quantity to apply, so that soil health can be improved. And along with this, during this campaign, farmers are being aware about soil health card scheme so that they can test the soil samples and apply fertilizers based on the recommendations. They also promote soil test crop response during this awareness. It is about 1 month, which is started by Union Ministry of Agriculture. Next question. Fruit Horizon 2026 organized by Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Rural Development at the option is Lucknow Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture. During this conference, they have said about zero rejection. Zero rejection. They means what does it mean by the foreign countries should not reject our fruits while they are importing from India because of any quality issues. That is what they have targeted. That is called zero rejection during this conference. The other options are Bangalore Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Srinagar Central Institute of Tropiculture Temperate Horticulture, Gurgaon Indian Institute of Vegetable Research. Next question. Sahet mission jointly launched by ICAR and ICMR with the objective of healthy food and healthy farms and healthy India. What is Sahet stands for? Sahet stands for Science Excellence for Health through Agricultural Transformation. This is what Sahet stands for. This mission concentrates on One Health, means the healthy soils produce healthy crop produce healthy food leads to healthy person or a healthy individual. That is called as One Health. Means this Sahet mission concentrates on technologies, diversification issues of the crop, where they have to bring a healthy crop which will be nutritive to the individual, thus promoting good health for a individual. So Sahet mission is a combination of health and food sector or crop sector. Next question. Mission Queen Pineapple was launched by which government or which state? The answer is Tripura. Tripura state launched Mission Queen Pineapple. This is a high GI tagged pineapple variety of Tripura which has good export value. Along with this, Mission Mushroom launched by Andhra Pradesh. Mission Mushroom launched by Andhra Pradesh. Recently, if you come across news, analog variety of ginger, it is a native of Assam. Next important question. Which Indian state has declared 2026 as the year of agriculture with a significantly increased budget to enhance farmer prosperity? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government has budgeted nearly 27 lakh crore for agriculture to boost farmers' agriculture. They have quoted about prosperous farmer, prosperous agriculture. Thus, they have initiated this campaign in 2026 and given 2026 as year of agriculture. Next question. Which GI tagged aromatic rice from Assam was exported to United Kingdom and Italy for the first time? The answer is Johar rice. Johar rice is a GI tagged rice of Assam where APIDA gave permission for its export to United Kingdom and Italy.